Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Jitsi Meet microphone not working issue step by step. If other participants can't hear you during a meeting, the problem is usually caused by muted audio, incorrect microphone settings, missing permissions, or another app using your microphone. So let's get started. First, make sure your microphone isn't muted in Jitsi Meet. Check the microphone icon on the meeting toolbar. If it has a slash through it, click or tap it once to unmute yourself and try speaking again. Next, verify your microphone permissions. If you're using Jitsi Meet in a web browser, click the lock or microphone icon next to the website address and make sure microphone access is set to allow. On Android, iPhone, or your computer, open your device's privacy settings and confirm that Jitsi Meet has permission to use the microphone. If you're still having trouble, check that the correct microphone is selected in Jitsi Meet's audio settings. I mean, if you have multiple microphones connected, such as a USB headset or an external microphone, choose the one you want to use and test it again. You should also close other applications like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Discord, or Skype that may already be using your microphone. Then restart Jitsi Meet or refresh your browser to apply the changes. Finally, update your browser or the Jitsi Meet app to the latest version and restart your device if the problem continues. This can resolve temporary software conflicts that prevent your microphone from working properly, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix the Jitsi Meet microphone not working issue and restore clear audio during your meetings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next